Do you have a beautiful wall gallery that gets ruined by that ugly electric panel? No matter how you try to arrange your pictures, that ugly panel is just in the way. I have a great DIY solution that will solve the problem. Join me as I show you how to hide your electrical panel. Here are the items you will need for this project. Create a workspace area and lay out your materials in front of you. Determine which area of the frame you want your hinges to go on. We were going to use 2 small hinges, but this is the smallest hinge available at the hardware store, so we work with what we had. Mount your hinge on your frame. Since this was a lightweight frame, we decided to put the hinge in the middle. Once that's done, you want to place your frame over the electric panel on your wall and mark where the screws for the hinges will go. Drill holes on the areas that you marked and then place your frame on the wall and screw to the wall. Once the picture frame is up, test and see how it works, if it closes properly and if it's at the right angle and if it covers the electric panel well enough. When we tested our frame out, that middle piece of wood prevented the frame from closing completely against the electric panel, so we decided to remove it. Now don't judge us, this is the wrong way to do it, but our saws and our tools were in the basement and we didn't want to bother going down there, so we just used what we had on hand. And my husband so gracefully was able to remove that piece of wood. Once that piece of wood was removed, the frame closed perfectly, but it did leave a small gap in between the wall and the frame. Now, we have little children and I already know that as soon as they see that frame, they're going to want to pull it and open it up. We attached 2 picture hooks to the top of the frame, hoping that this will do the job and keep the frame closed. So far, the picture hooks work. They serve the purpose for now. Something else you can do is put 2 strong Velcro strips on the top. That can work as well, but because I was a little concerned with the children pulling it, I wanted something a little stronger. The reason I chose to use a hinge instead of just hanging the picture frame over the electric panel is because we do access our electric panel frequently, and the hinge was the best solution for our situation. Let's see how long this lasts. I'll give you an update later on. What do you think? What else can you use besides picture hooks? Do you have any ideas or suggestions? If you do, please leave them below in the comments. In the meantime, do you have something unsightly on your walls that you want to hide? This DIY is perfect for your rental space. I encourage you, whip out your tools and take on this project. Thank you for joining me at Engineering My Life. God bless. See you in the next one.